में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स केमिस्ट्री के। सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर प्रिसीजन रेफर टू द क्लोजनेस ऑफ वेरियस मेजरमेंट फॉर द सेम क्वांटिटी हाउएवर accuracy the agreement of particle value to the true value of the result. There are certain rules for determining the number of significant. These are stated all non-zero are significant. Zero preceding to first non-zero are not significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Zero at the end or right of the number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. Counting numbers of objects. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It is stated that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum or velocity of an electron. Delta x equal to delta p is greater than high equal to h upon 4. Delta x is uncertainty in position and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum of the particle. In the position of electron is known with high degree of accuracy, then the velocity of electron will be uncertain. On the other hand, if the velocity of electron is known precisely small, then the position of electron will be uncertain. Thus, if carry out some physical measurement on the electron position or velocity, significance of uncertainty, it rules out existence of definite path or trajectory of the electron and other similar particles. The effect of Heisenberg uncertainty principle is significant only for motion of microscopic objects and is negligible for that of microscopic objects. In dealing with milligram-sized or heavier objects, the associated uncertainty are hardly any real sequence. It therefore means that the precise statements of the position and momentum of electrons have to be replaced by the statement of probability that the electron has at a given position and momentum. This is what happens in the quantum mechanical model of an hydrogen atom and Schrodinger equation. When Schrodinger equation is solved for hydrogen, the solution gives you the possible energy levels the electrons can occupy and the corresponding wave functions of the electrons associated with each other. Each energy level, these quantized energy states and corresponding wave function, which are characterized by a set of three quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number, arises as its own consequence in the solution of the Schrodinger wave equation. When an is in any energy state, the wave function corresponding to that energy state contains all information about the electron. The wave function is a mathematical function whose value depends on the coordinates of the electron in the atom and does not carry any physical meaning. Such wave function of hydrogen or hydrogen-like species with one electron are called atomic orbital. Such wave function pertaining to one electron species are called one electron system. The probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to psi square. At that point, the quantum mechanical result of the hydrogen atom successfully predict all the aspects of the hydrogen atom spectrum, including some phenomena that could not be explained. For application of Schrodinger wave equation to multi-electron atoms present a difficulty. The Schrodinger equation cannot be solved exactly for a multi-electron atom. This difficulty can be overcome by using approximate methods. Such calculation will the aid of modern computers so that orbitals and the atoms other than hydrogen do not differ in any radical way from the hydrogen orbital. Important features of quantum mechanical model of an atom. The energy of electrons in atom is quantized. The existence of quantized electronic energy level is a direct result of the wave. Both the exact position and exact velocity of an electron in an atom cannot be determined simultaneously. An atom orbital is the wave function for an electron in an atom. Whenever an electron is described by a wave function, we see that the electron occupies that orbital. The probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to square of the orbital wave function psi square. From the value of psi square at different point within an atom, it is possible to predict the region around the nucleus where electrons will most probably found. Azimuthal quantum number L is also known as orbital quantum number or subsidiary quantum number. It defines a three-dimensional shape of the orbital. Magnetic orbital quantum number gives information about the spatial orientation of the orbital with respect to standard set of coordinate axes. The subshell 12+1 value of mi are possible, and these values are given by in an electron spin quantum number. An electron spin around its own axis much in similar way as Earth spin around its own axis while revolving around the sun. In other words, an electron has besides charges and mass charge and mass intrinsic spin quantum number. Spin quantum number of an electron, a vector quantity, can have two orientations related to the chosen axis. These two orientations are distinguished by spin quantum number ms, which can take place the value of plus half minus half. These are also called the two spin state of the electron. To sum up, the four quantum number provide the following information: defines the cell, determines the size of the orbital, and also to a large extent the energy of the orbital. There are n subcells in the nth cell. L can identify the subcell and determines the shape of the orbital. There are 12 plus 1 orbitals of each type in a subcell. That is, one was a 3p orbital and 5d orbital per subcell. EML designates the orientation of the orbital for a given value of L. EML has 12 plus 1 for the same as the number of orbitals per subcell. MS is the orientation of the spin of the electron. Shapes of atomic orbital. According to German scientist Max Born, the square of wave function at any point give the probability density of the electron at that point. Variation of psi square is a function of r and 1 s 2 s given by s. The region where this probability density function reduced to zero is called nodal surface or simply nodes. Boundary surface diagram of the constant probability density for different orbitals give a fairly good representation of the shapes of the orbitals. Total number of nodes are given by n minus 1 sum of L angular quantum n minus 1 shape of energy of orbital. Above principle. The word above in German means building up. The building up of orbitals means the building up of orbital with electron. The principal state in ground state of the atoms are the orbitals are filled in the order of their increasing energies. देखिए दोस्तों order of filling of orbital. Pauli exclusion principle. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of four quantum numbers. Pauli exclusion principle can also be stated that only two electrons may exist in the same orbital, and these electrons must have a opposite spin. Hund rule of maximum multiplicity. This rule deals with the filling of electrons in the orbital belonging to the same subcell. The orbitals of equal energy called degenerate orbitals. Each state pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subcell does not take place until each orbital belonging to that subcell has got one electron each. It is singly occupied. The distribution of electrons orbitals of an atom is called electronic. Its electronic configuration. The relation between Ka and Kb. In case of conjugate acid-base pair, they are related in a simple manner so that if one is known, the other has deduced. NH4 plus H2, H3O plus H plus NH3, where K represents the strength of NH4 as an acid, Kb represents the strength of NH3 as a base. K into Kb is equal to Kw. K net is equal to K1 cross K2, K into Kb बराबर Kw, Kw Ke cross Kb. pKa plus pKb equal to pKw equal to 14. Di and polybasic acids and di and polyacetic bases. Some of the acids like oxalic acid, sulfuric acid, and phosphoric acid have more than one ionizable proton per molecules of the acid. Factor affecting acid strength. In general, when the strength of HA bond decreases, there is energy required to break the bond decrease. HA becomes a stronger acid, and also when the HA becomes more polar, electronic difference between the atoms H and A increases, and there is a marked charge in cleavage of bond become more thermally. HA bond strength is more important factor in determining the acidity than its polar nature. At the size of any down the group A, the strength decreases and so the acidity increases. And the electronegativity of increases, the strength of inertia also increases. Common ion effect is ionization of acids and bases. Common ion can be defined as a shift in the equilibrium on adding a substance that providing a more of an ionic species already present in the dissociation medium. This is the salts and the pH of their solution. The latter process of interaction between water and cation are both of salt is called hydrolysis. Salt of weak acid and strong base COONS. Salt of strong acid and weak base NH4Cl. Salt of weak acid and weak base COONS4. Nature 4 formed weak base and strong acid HCl in water dissociate completely. Equilibrium constant in gaseous system. Spontaneity is the first law of thermodynamics tells us about the relation between the heat absorbed and the work performed by a system. It puts no restriction on the direction of heat flow. However, the flow of heat is unidirectional from higher temperature to lower temperature. In fact, all naturally occurring processes, whether chemical or physical, will tend to proceed spontaneously in one direction only. But heat cannot flow from colder to warmer body on its own. The gas in a container will not spontaneously contract into one corner. Carbon dioxide will not form carbon and dioxygen spontaneously. The air and many other spontaneously occurring changes. So unidirectional change may ask what is the driving force of spontaneously occurring changes. What determines the direction of a spontaneous change in the system? We shall establish some certain for these processes whether these will take place or not. Let us first understand that what we mean by spontaneous reaction or change. You may think by your common observation that spontaneous reaction is one which occurs immediately when contact is made between the reactant. Take the case of combination of hydrogen and oxygen. The gases may be mixed at room temperature and left for many years without observing any precipitation change. The spontaneous process is an irreversible process and may only be reversed by some external agency. Decreasing healthy criteria for spontaneity. If we examine the phenomena like flow of water downhill and fall of a stone onto the ground, we find there is a net decrease in potential energy in the direction of change. By analogy, we may be tempted to state that a chemical reaction is spontaneous in a chemical given reaction direction because decrease in energy has taken place as in case of exothermic reaction. Born-Haber process. Lattice enthalpy, which occurs when one mole of an hydrogen compound dissociates into its ion in gaseous state. It is impossible to determine lattice enthalpy directly by experiment. We use an indirect method where we construct an enthalpy diagram called Born-Haber cycle. Let us calculate the lattice enthalpy of NaCl by following steps given below. Na plus sublimation of sodium metal, N plus electron ionization of sodium atoms, and ionization enthalpy of Cl2 plus Cl2 reaction of chlorine. The reaction enthalpy is half. Bond enthalpy, dissociation enthalpy. Electron gained by chlorine, the electron in their enthalpy. You have learned about ionization enthalpy and electron gap university. In fact, the terms had been taken from the thermodynamics. Earlier terms, ionization energy and electron affinity, were in practice in place of above terms. See the box for justification. दोस्तों ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है Born-Haber cycle. To be reversible, change is brought out in such a way that the process could at any moment be reversed by an infinite and similar changes. A reversible process proceeds infinitely slowly by a series of equilibrium states such that system and the surroundings are always in near equilibrium with each other. Non-reversible processes are known as irreversible processes. We can relate work in the isothermal pressure of the system under reversible condition by writing minus Ps del BIVN. Then dP cross dP is very small, so we can write. Now the pressure of the gas P, which we can write out, can be expressed in terms of its volume through gas equation for n molar per day gas and RT upon B and V2. Pre-expansion. Expansion of gas in vacuum is called pre-expansion. No work is done. एंथैल्पी। दोस्तों यहीं पर वीडियो समाप्त करते हैं। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, वीडियो देखने के लिए शेयर सब्सक्राइब लाइक करिएगा। धन्यवाद।